Hi, I'm Esther from Life. This week we're celebrating our 21st birthday, which calls for party hats. The pointiness of party hats makes them really good for playing with the science of balancing. Like with this balancing butterfly from one of our make videos. Every object has a centre of gravity, which is the point where its weight is balanced from front to back, left to right, and top to bottom. One way to balance something is to make sure that you're balancing it just under its centre of gravity. Once you've got the hang of that, you can balance all sorts of things. We're celebrating our birthday with a scavenger hunt online and new science activities that you can try at home. There's something new every day this week, so make sure you check them out. And if you do try this at home, let us know by tagging us on social media @Science at Life.